Hey guys, Connor here again at Earth Motor Cars, today showcasing 1959 Chevrolet Bel Air. This guy is a true hot rod right here, check it out. No stalker underneath this hood, boys. We've got the modern blacked out LS3 underneath this guy. This car has been fully gone through on here. And whenever I say fully gone through, I'm talking about LS3, 4L60, full serpentine system on here, Griffin radiator, full ride tech suspension front and back, control arms, coilovers, the whole 9 yards, everything like that. This guy is beautiful. It is the ultimate cruiser car, as I would call it. Fresh paint on this guy. We just had it painted. Beautiful color. Check out this interior too. Along with everything else on this guy, new interior on this, Dakota digital gauges. We just got done putting in a full Bluetooth radio in this guy with dual 6x9s in the back. I mean, if you're gonna have a car like this, you gotta have a badass stereo, guys. Look at it. Let me get the keys and open the trunk real quick. Man, there ain't nothing like the iconic fins, the 59. Beautiful on here, I love it. Here we go. Fully upholstered trunk too. You could fit like, I don't know, 6 dead bodies in there if you wanted to, but seriously, massive trunk on here. Oh, and there we go, take out the key first. On this guy, of course, I want to say we got 22s. What do we got on here? We've got 285, 30, 22s, yeah, 22-inch wheels in the rear, and then I want to say 20s in the front with disc brakes too. Nice big chrome wheels on there. Surprisingly enough, with the big wheels, this thing rides like a Cadillac down the road. It just floats down the road, one hand on the wheel cruising. Let's go take it for a drive and I'll prove to you how well it does. Let's go. Ready? Yep. All right, let's go. Fires right up, no problems. Super, super cool Dakota digital in here too. Love those gauges, man. If you're gonna do a LS in one of these cars, it's the way to go. Let's go for a drive. Would I call this car a muscle car? Probably not. You still got the LS3, that 6.2 power in it. I mean, it does scoot too on here. It'll move, but this car is more for cruising, man. There ain't nothing else like this car on the road with the big fins in the back and the body styling on here. Let's take the speed bump. Super, super soft suspension on there. We have the ride tech system on here dialed in more for comfort and not for a cornering. I mean, come on now. You're not gonna go take this car on a track. But it moves. It's a great, great car, guys. Also too, I think I forgot to mention on here, we do have vintage air AC on this guy all the way around on here too. So, like I said, cruiser car, I take this car to California and back any day of the week. Nice cold AC, hot air, Bluetooth radio, brand new LS in the front. It is like everything has been done to this guy too. The interior on it, I mean, look at the headliner and the sun visors too. It's just gorgeous, along with the seats, door panels. I mean, everything has been gone through on this car. Cruising down Midway right now on this, and again, the arm out the window over here, the one hand on the steering wheel, the pinky steering, if you wanted it to be. This thing's just awesome, man. The nice thing about this is too, I don't know how much of this is gonna make it into the video, but I can sit here and talk to the cameraman over here, and I'm not having to scream at him. But if you wanna punch it, you get some nice sound, a nice rumble in the back. But if you're cruising down the road, this thing's quiet as a mouse. Midway too, I can't stress it enough. Whenever you guys come to the dealership, your car will be doing this the whole time because the road is just divoted down. I don't even feel it in this car. It's awesome. All right, guys, that's gonna do it for this 59 Bel Air. Come in, take this car for a spin. Let me know what you guys think, and I'll see you guys in the next video.